the stars will align. The stars will always align. So I ended up sending a cold message on LinkedIn to the executive producer of the largest entertainment show in the world, the Oscars here in Hollywood. And I just sent her this message about, how cute her dog was and how the Oscars were too long and they should do this like second screen experience where backstage we can see what Brad Pitt and George Clooney are actually talking about because we can be on our phones and watch the broadcast. It was like 4 hours back then. It was too long. So she gave me a meeting just down the street from where we are right now. And one led to another, ended up landing a contract with the Oscars. And I hired all my friends. We beat out big agencies from like, LA and London and New York. We had no idea what we were doing. We worked our butts off, but I just kept being like, the stars will align. Just keep showing up. Stars will align. Well, the big day comes. We're on the red carpet and I have my headset and my clipboard. I'm like working like crazy. It's all happening. And this selfie goes viral with Bradley Cooper and Ellen and Julia Roberts and Brad Pitt. And it broke the internet back then. It was like 2013, 2014. Broke the internet. It wasn't my idea. It just happened on my watch, happened to happen. So I got the credit for it. I was like, it wasn't my idea. I remember thinking to myself, oh my God, the words that we use, we have to be so careful. The language that we use, the words that we speak, because I kept saying the stars will align. And the selfie was literally a bunch of celebrities in a line. Like the stars literally aligned.
Right.
So ever since then, I've been like really cautious. I don't say like, oh, that kills me or things like that. Like language is so specific. The universe is listening to our exact words, right? But that one big breakthrough client, James, I'm sure you had one of these in your career as well. Only takes that one big fish and that one lucky break of working and trying and showing up and failing and getting rejected and taking risks and rolling the dice and being stressed and not sleeping and nightmares and bills you can't pay and all the things, right? But ultimately, you keep showing up. That one big breakthrough, well, we got hired by the Grammys, we got hired by Fashion Week, and then my agency just exploded. And for 10 years, we were like the go-to social media agency for live events. We were acquired 2 years ago.